So here we are going to talk about the screening part, where the picture is the image or picture is blur or hazy. It means the image is unclear. When the image is unclear, so what is the huge responsibility over you? That is, what type of imagination power you have, whether it is positive or negative. If the imagination is positive, so positive means what? Positive means you must have the skill to think positive, you must have the skill to what? Speak positive, and finally you have the capacity to do positive. So there are three different categories of positivity: think positive, speak positive, and do positive. So the doer is the important part of the story writing test in even the psychology part. If you are projecting your hero as a doer, not as a thinker, not as a speaker, then you are a good subject. So try to emphasize on the doer part, rather you should focus more on speaking and thinking part. So what do you mean by this? It means that suppose you perceive some challenge, and for solving the challenge, your subject or hero is dependent on somebody else for speaking. Suppose you speak and somebody help you. It means that on speaking you are going to emphasize your action. Suppose you think good and action was good. So it means that on the basis of actually thing was good. So actually the requirement is you do something good and you get something good. So here doer is more important than speaker and thinker. Is it clear? The basic thing is that you should be a positive thinker. And when we talk about positive thinker, so positive thinker means the subject who has the capacity to think positive, speak positive, and do positive. Here doer part is more emphasized. If you are a doer, you are a good subject for the selection. If you are a thinker only, it means that you live in the imagination part. Is it clear? So on that basis, there are certain images on which you are going to be analyzed. Here we have taken one very blurred type of image in which you are going to project your ideas and view, what type of view you have, and later we are going to analyze that what should be the assessment of that particular image. Is it clear? So let's start with chess number 10. You please come over here. Yes, please come and express your view to your friends. So see the image first. Have you seen it? Have you seen it? Okay. So
good evening everyone. Here from this image I perceive that the woman is sitting in a thinking mode and she is in a positive state around 25-26 years of age. So I'm taking my protagonist name as Rama. She is a final year law student from Kurukshetra University. As we all know that Kurukshetra is based in Haryana. So there, so there the problem, the problem of women feticide is increasing day by day, which led to the sudden decline in the sex ratio, which is about 10:2 of women and men. Rama decided to arrange a campaign for the villagers where she thought of enlightening the villagers about the benefits of having the girl child in the home and upon the education of the women child and everything of that sort. So the campaign which Rama organized there she invited all the villagers, and the villagers took the initiative to come to the campaign, and there she addressed the villagers with all the schemes which the government is providing for women development and for women family and for the girl child family, for the development of their family, and the importance of girl education, because we all know.
Your time is over. So let me analyze the story. Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
So are you worried about?
Yes, sir.
Okay, no problem.
I got panicked, sir.
So actually what happened? What was the perception of yours? What is the image you perceive?
Sir, I perceive the women thinking in a thinking mode.
The women is in thinking mode.
Yes.
Okay. So chess number 10 perceived that the lady is in thinking mode, or she is planning or thinking something, and she perceived she is positive. Till then, undoubtedly, there is no problem. But the challenge that she has taken, actually it was a kind of the personal imagination. It was not from the reality. So as she perceived that female foeticide issue, no problem, it was there. And then after what type of action she did, Actually, it was not the normal ground. Even as we know that, even certain challenges, even alone you can't do in just 1 or 2 days.
Yes.
1 or 2 days. For that, even organization and proper planning execution is required. And even the action that she has taken, actually it was not so accurate, which is expected. So that it was a bit more than the reality background. So the perception is positive, but the action on the technical ground, the action is not executed. Because actually she did lots of things in some fraction of time only, and so that it made the story somehow unrealistic. Clear? Because actually female foeticide is a kind of social taboo in the state like Haryana, and for that even a single lady initiated and she did all the work alone, and even the work was fulfilled. So it was a kind of higher imagination, so that should be very normal. So what is your perception in that chestnut rifle?
So my perception, hello friends, my perception from this image is that he is a boy whose age is between 18 to 20.
No, actually when we talk about screening part, so we do not actually talk about he is a boy. Actually we'll have to give some name for the character.
He's Raman at the age between 18 to 20. Actually, during lockdown, his school got lost, so that is why.
So here some technical errors are there. So meanwhile I am interrupting you because actually you should not repeat the errors. When we talk about between 18 and 20, so it is very obvious that the student is not in the school. Am I right?
Yes.
Because actually at the age of 18, you must have passed your intermediate examination. So I think that you should speak about the college life.
Like institutions are not open.
So college life, it is not school life.
Okay. Sir.
If the character is between 18 and 20, so it means it is college life. So you can't project your character in the school. So these are the technical part on which students should focus more. Because what is the need of it? Why you perceive your character male and 20 or 18 year old? It means that you are going to talk about the technical part also. I have seen many of the students who used to write that 22 age and he is studying into it. So what rubbish it is. If the age of the character is 22, he must not be the part of intermediate, isn't it? Even normally one should pass his graduation also at the age of 21. Is it clear?
Yes.
So these are the very important technical part on which students should focus more. इस तरीके होना चाहिए. सबसे पहले जो है आप एक परफॉर्मर होना चाहिए. क्या होना चाहिए? आप सीखने वाले नहीं होने चाहिए. देखिए एसएसबी सीख कर कोई पास नहीं कर सकता. परफॉर्मर होना चाहिए. परफॉर्मर मतलब क्या होता है इसमें? यानी कि आपको जो दिखे उसी चीज़ में आपको पॉजिटिविटी निकालनी. So if you perceive something and you are writing something else, so it is not the quality. I have seen many of the candidates, even many of you also, you perceive something else, but you actually intentionally write something else. But naturally you perceive something else. Thinking actually emphasizes on thinking, planning, isn't it? तो जब हम बात कर रहे हैं कि आपका कैरेक्टर जो है ब्लर यानी धुंधला है, हेजी है, अनक्लियर है, और इसके ऊपर हमें एक स्टोरी बनानी है, तो मुझे लगता है कि ये सारे कैरेक्टर्स आपने जितने भी देखे हैं, आपका नॉर्मल परसेप्शन क्या है? वेदर इट इज थिंकिंग, प्लानिंग, इज इट क्लियर? हम सोचते कब है हम यहाँ पे जाए. देखिए हम आई एम गोइंग टू टॉक अबाउट द एनालिसिस पार्ट. सो एनालिसिस को ध्यान रखना है इसमें. स्टोरी लिखना तो बहुत ही सिंपल काम है, सभी लोग लिखते हैं. सो एनालिसिस इज द वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट. सो एनालिसिस देखेंगे इसमें कि वी हैव परसीव्ड अ कैरेक्टर हु इज इन डीप थिंकिंग. एम आई क्लियर? वी परसीव्ड अ कैरेक्टर नेम Ram, Mohan, or even girl also. But the thing is that deep thinking, is it? तो हम deep thinking करते कर रहे हैं, जल्दी से ब्रेन में इस बात को ऑर्गेनाइज करें, सोचने के लिए बोलें. डीप थिंकिंग हम दो तरीके से करते हैं. जब हमारे पास या तो सक्सेस होगा या फेलियर होगा. फेल होने के बाद अब ये क्या हो गया, और सक्सेस होने के बाद या हम कुछ अचीव करने के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं इसमें. तो ये तो बात बड़ी ऑब्वियस सी बात है कि ईच एंड एवरी स्टूडेंट ऑफ SSB इवन दे नोज कि हमें जो है कि अगर हमने कोई नेगेटिव परसेप्शन लिखा है तो उसमें हमारा रिजेक्शन हो जाएगा. तो ये नेगेटिव परसेप्शन को जब डिनाई करते हैं, डिसअप्रूव करते हैं ना, तो वो स्टोरी काफ़ी ज़्यादा रॉन्ग हो जाती है, और वो ऐसे स्टोरी लिखते हैं जिसका कोई लॉजिकल ग्राउंड से कोई कनेक्शन नहीं होता. तो क्या करना चाहिए? व्हाट इज़ द अल्टीमेट गोल एंड ऑब्जेक्टिव? हमें क्या करना चाहिए कि पिक्चर का परसेप्शन जैसा दिख रहा है उसी को वैसे ही समझना है, और उसी में से एक पॉजिटिविटी निकालना है. हम डीप थिंकिंग करते कब हैं? हम डीप थिंकिंग करते हैं कुछ ऐसे कंडीशंस पर जो कि हमारी लाइफ के पार्ट एंड पार्सल है. जैसे कि बिफोर एग्जामिनेशन, जैसे कि हमारे पास मल्टीटास्किंग होती है. मल्टीटास्किंग कब होती है इसमें हमारे पास? जैसे कि मान लीजिए यू योरसेल्फ will have to engage yourself in some activities, some personal work, some social activities, some urgent work at the same time. So you have multiple tasks, and for that you need to analyze and think. ध्यान से सुनिए, हम थिंक करते कब है? हम थिंक करते कब है? जब हमारे पास मल्टीटास्किंग के ऑप्शंस होते हैं, isn't it? तो मल्टीटास्किंग के ऑप्शंस को लेकर आप ऑर्गेनाइजेशन एंड प्लानिंग से रिलेटेड एक स्टोरी बना सकते हो। जैसे कि क्या